Hello guys, this is Niklesh and welcome to my tech programming channel. I am so excited to unbox my mini Gorilla Pod mobile tripod and brand name is marklif. There is no mounting hardware, batteries required and has self timer. I bought it in Amazon and the cost is 400 rupees. It is made for heavy duty product purpose. It can support for rough usage. It can use for cameras, DSLRs and mobiles etc. This is portable and lightweight and we can carry easily. We can carry it in purse, bag, backpack and any jacket pockets and which shows tripod's portability and it can fit in your camera bag also. It is flexible joints, wrappable legs will secure your camera with over 2 dozen flexible joints. The legs will stay secure even when you are stuck between a rock and hard place. The rubbersized ring and foot grips keep your gear standing strong. Or you can utilize and the octopus style tripod to wrap around almost any structure from fence to trees. It has a clasp lock and help to lock it in the exact angles which we want. Its height is 13 inches and weight are 350 grams. Even mobile holder included and it has top and bottom rubber grips for secure and better placement. Foam padding of back side to prevent mobile phone from scratches. The link is in description. My Instagram ID link is in description. Thank you guys. Please do subscribe my channel and if you want my videos notifications, please hit the bell icon. Don't forget to do like, share and to your friends in WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. Comment and please follow me in Instagram.